This Remax Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Joy Wells. Rustic charmer near the heart of Gold Beach, tucked off the main road with great mountain views, large private deck, open floor plan, and only minutes to the sandy beaches. Attached storage shed 8x22, room for a garage or shop, and a separate sunny garden area. Guest bath has a walk-in jetted bathtub/shower combo. Master has walk-in closet and private bathroom. Usable attic access of approximately 1,400 square feet. Roof is 8 years new, and the septic was pumped in January. New gravel in progress. For more information, review the details below.